Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing. This is the Walmart Beauty Box, the winter box. This is quarterly, so you get it each season. It used to be only $5, now it's like $6.98, so basically $7. And they do give you a little thing on the inside. Shows you all the different products. You don't get all these, but depending on what type of box, I get the Trendsetter, I believe it is. So some of these are my samples. Some of these go to the other box. I think there's only 2 different types of boxes based on your profile that you fill out. So let's take a look. The first thing I'm seeing is from CoverGirl. Super Stunner True Blend. That's rose quartz. That's full size. Also have some samples here. This one is from Soap and Glory. I have tried stuff from them before and was really good, so excited for this. This is hand food, non-greasy, hydrating hand cream. So that's awesome. I also have a sample Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. This is an electrolyte drink mix and it's strawberry flavored. Also have a Hydrating Mist Toner. This one is paraben and alcohol free and it has chamomile and rose in it for all skin types. Also have Gold Bond. This is my favorite type of lotion, that brand. Love it. So this is body and face lotion. And the last item is a retinol serum. Fragrance-free rapid wrinkle repair by Neutrogena. So that's a pretty good box. Pretty many samples this month. Oh, and there's one more. Glad I checked. This is Arch Rival Brow Artist Pencil. Cool. That's in shade brown. So if we look at the little thing again, we got all of those. Some people got this, which looks like it's perfume. Different eyeliner, different serum cream, some body moisturizer. So a couple different items there. Some curly hair products. Ooh, a holiday 4-shade palette. That's probably pretty cool. So yeah, that's what I got in the winter box. If you guys would like to join, I'll put their information below, and once you sign up, it just automatically bills you, and it does tell you before it ships, so if you need to cancel it or anything. Real easy to do. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.